So this is the Oraimo Freepods Pro, and it's no secret that I love Oraimo products. They are power banks, they are neckbands, and they are earpods. So when Oraimo gave me this for a review, I was really excited. I have been using it for about a week now, and in this video I'm going to be sharing my thoughts and my experience with the Freepods Pro and telling you guys everything there is to know about this device to find out if you should buy it. And spoiler alert, you should probably buy it. But before we do begin, do smash that like button so more people get to see this video and the information we're about to share. My name is Yudi, I talk about tech. Let's shoot. So if you look right below the title of this video, just look at it, you'll notice something. Yeah, we are so close to 1,000 subscribers. So if you're new here or you're not yet subscribed to the channel, please do subscribe. Just hit that subscribe button and the notification bell right beside it. Thank you. Okay, now let's get started with the review. So this is what you get when you buy the Freepods Pro. It comes in this big box, Freepods Pro, Sound of Silence. Wait, Oraimo, does silence have sound? Okay, anyways, first we get the Freepods Pro with the earbuds inside the case. Next, we get the manual. Oraimo also added a silicone case for protection. How nice of them. Next, we get a Type-C cable for charging and additional size ear tips, a small and large. Let's start with the design. At the front of the case, we see the Oraimo branding in a gold peel shape. Now it comes in this grey color, but sometimes, especially when you're outdoors, it can give a hint of purple. At the bottom of the case is a USB Type-C port for charging. At the front of the case is the reset button. It can also be used to check the battery life of the case. So red LED means it's on low, orange means it's half full, and green means the battery is full. When you use the silicone case, it does cover up the buttons, but you can still press it. The case does feel sturdy. The hinge is also very good. Build quality is an 8 out of 10. Opening up the case, we see the Freepods Pro, and even if you turn the case upside down, they won't fall out because they are held in place with magnets. The Freepods themselves look really cool. The stem is shiny and the rest of the earbuds is made from regular plastic. It's actually good plastic and it feels premium. At the bottom of the earbuds, we see the contact points for charging. The battery life on the Freepods Pro is so good. So when I first got it, I unboxed it, then I charged it up to 100%, then I used them to watch a 2-hour movie on my phone. Then I checked the battery life and it was still on 100%. Oraimo promises up to 30 hours of battery life on the Freepods Pro, and right now it's hard not to believe them. It uses Bluetooth version 5.2, so I guess that does help with battery life. Now charging takes roughly 2 hours to go from 0 to 100%, and that's pretty decent. Now let's move on to the touch controls. So you tap once on either earbud to play or pause your music, also used to answer a call. Now double tap takes you to the next track and triple tap takes you to the previous track. If you tap and hold, you can reject an incoming call. Now if you tap and hold on the left earpod, release it after 4 beeps, you switch between normal and bass heavy mode. Now if you do the same thing on the right earpod, you enter game mode, also known as low latency mode. That is for if you're playing games. Now for the good part, the interesting part, active noise cancellation. Now tap and hold on either earbud. After you hear 2 beeps, you release and you switch between noise cancellation and transparency mode. And the noise cancellation works surprisingly well. It's like when you stick your fingers into your ears. It really blocks out all the ambient noise. So yeah, ANC, I love it. And with transparency mode, you don't need to take the earbuds out of your ears. Just set it to transparency mode and you can have a conversation with someone without feeling like something is blocking your ears. It's almost like you don't have them on and you don't feel that discomfort. Speaking about comfort, the Freepods Pro are very comfortable in the ears. They are not heavy or lightweight, they just fit in quite well. You should definitely try out the different size ear tips to find out which one fits the best. Now, sound quality. The sound quality is pretty good. I would rate it as 7.5/10. The sound signature is very similar with the Infinix XE21 earbuds. The bass is great. This one is definitely for bass lovers. Highs and mids are good. And yeah, these are pretty good sounding earpods. Hey guys, so this is what it would sound like if you're using the Oraimo Freepods Pro to make a call. They are currently in my ears right now, and this is basically how it will sound. So do let me know what you think of the call audio quality in the comment section down below. So I do recommend the Freepods Pro. Definitely one of the best budget wireless earpods. But I think the way forward for Oraimo, maybe for their next wireless earpods, will be to have an app. Because using touch controls for everything is not really practical. Like, who is going to remember all the different touch controls? But having an app where you can easily just turn on noise cancellation or transparency mode or game mode at the tap of a button is just way better. I hope this video was helpful to you and you enjoyed watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. My name is Yudi, this is Yudi Shoes. Thank you so much for watching and you see me in my next video.